Alright. I would not recommend getting these ProFlo toilets by any means. This model is the Jarret, and they're basically the equivalent of Home Depot's Glacier Bay, if not worse. In other words, complete garbage. However, this thing was only filling to a low level because of a low overflow pipe to try and make it flush on 1.28 gallons. But due to that and only using a 2-inch instead of a 3-inch flush valve, it failed by design. However, I put a new flush valve in it with a longer overflow pipe and a new fill valve. Basically, the tank has been rebuilt, and now it flushes a lot better with more power and more vigor. So hopefully it won't clog nearly as much or as often. Huge difference and much improved flush performance. And there we have a Fluidmaster fill valve and a Fluidmaster flush valve with a Fluidmaster adjuster flush flapper. Just took a little tinkering around to get it right, but it's done.